Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create your own custom action figure design from the character concept to accessories and pose ideas. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone, open your ChatGPT application. First, tell ChatGPT what kind of character you want. For example, help me design a ninja action figure with futuristic armor and glow-in-the-dark weapons. ChatGPT will respond with details like name, features, weapons, accessories, and more. Next, you can ask, can you describe what the figure looks like from head to toe? This helps artists or 3D modelers visualize your character. You can also ask for color themes or poses. ChatGPT here is actually helping you conceptualize a model in parts: head, torso, arms, waist and legs. If you're planning to 3D print it, this is going to be very helpful. And you can even ask ChatGPT to write a short bio for the back of the action figure box. Perfect if you're imagining a full product line. Interesting, okay. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to design your own action figure from concept to accessories and backstory. If you want to go even further, you can take the descriptions to a digital artist or 3D modeler to bring it to life. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.